Smart guides are from the necessary things you need to know in the basics of Adobe Illustrator. And to activate the smart guides, you go to View, then you scroll down to the bottom here. You'll find the smart guides, and make sure they have the check mark here. You can also use the shortcut Ctrl+U to activate them, and also you need to check snap to point. Let me see, we just need snap to point here, so we'll remove the check mark from snap to pixel. So what smart guides do is they give you those little lines. You can see here a red line, and here you can see another line from both the middle anchor point to our shapes. So if you move a shape, it will give you some guides to where to put it and to where it is according to another shape. Let's move it back here. Now what snap to point do is that it works like a magnet too. So if you took that circle close to that shape, it will snap like that. It will move to the shape with itself. You can see that. You can try that yourself so you understand more about snapping. So that's all. See you in the next video.